Hello, Nay. Good morning. How are you? Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday. How old are you na? Batang-bata pa rin, syempre, and always beautiful. And we are looking forward to go back home. Yes! Finally! Ang tagal na kami hindi nakapag-Christmas sa Pinas. So, we're so happy. And, Nay, magpalakas ka ha. Magpalakas ka. Magpaganda pa lalo. Kasi we're gonna have a lot of fun. Great fun together pa. Kasama ng, ng buong pamilya. Yay! Very excited na kami to go home, Nay. Kaya magpalakas ka ha. And we wish you long life, healthy life, happy life all the time. Kasi we love you so much, Nay. And we're so excited for this trip. And like what I've said, magpalakas ka, Nay, ha? Magpalakas ka, magpaganda ka lalo. And excited kami, excited so much, pati ang mga bata. So, I just went to the school, sinabi ko na yung trip namin to the Philippines. So, excited kami, Nay. Happy birthday, Nay, ha? Happy birthday, happy birthday. I love you, Nay. I love you, I love you. I miss you. I miss you. I thank the Lord for you. You're my best nanay. You're my second nanay. Yes, thank you, Lord. Thank you. I love you, Nay. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.